Good afternoon, Jay. Just bringing you up to speed with the rest of the plugin. I have 11 tools total, 5 of which are ready for your guys to use, and I'll go through them briefly. First of all, it's difficult for a lot of your guys to be able to use the command line for stuff, especially because of English typing spellers, I guess. So I've created a plugin panel for it. You can turn the panel on and off by looking at the command panel and look for CB panel. So if you don't want it, you can hide it and it's gone, or you can turn it back on. Right click, run the last command and show the panel. If it's not docked in there, you can dock it anywhere you want. You can dock it on this side of the screen, you can dock it in there, you can dock it next to this one. Whatever it is you want to do, whatever floats your boat. I like to stick it in there because it's just handy to flip through the different things inside there. Okay, so to go through the commands one at a time. Twister, nothing's changed with that, same as it used to be. Let's just put this in a rendered view mode. So Twister takes a curve and wraps a twist around it. So Twister, select the curve, twists are 8, I guess, whatever it is, and you can run a taper on it. And so it gives us all these nice options to play with twisted wire. Okay. So yeah, nothing's changed there, same command as it always was. Ring size tool, same as it was before, just easier to run from here now. Same thing, you can zoom in and you can find the edge of your ring and you can get an exact readout on the millimeter value, radius, diameter and circumference, and also the inch radius, diameter and circumference, as you can see in the screen there. At the bottom one you can snap to British sizes, and the top one you can snap to US sizes. So yeah, pretty handy. I'll just dump that. Next command is send by email. So that'll take any file you have, compress it down to the smallest possible size, grab 4 images and stick the whole lot in email for you. Alright, so send by email, temporary file somewhere called, I don't know, ring for Chris, and click save. It goes blibbly bloppy blap, and it pops up this window which is on another place on my desktop. And you can send this to to whoever you want. Put any email address in there that you want. Okay, a little warning to tell you that it's going to take a second, and I'll let you know when it's done. Hang on 1 second. Email has been sent. All right. So that email will show up in your inbox, looking, I guess, something like that. Okay. The zip file in there and some preview images of the file as so. Then the next command is send by Google Drive, which is exactly the same thing, except it's going to zip it up and it's going to send it to our Google Drive, and it's going to give you a link. The first time you run this on your machine, it's going to pop up a warning saying Google needs you to log in. Just log in. The second time you run it, it's automatically got your credentials saved. So the same thing, send by Google Drive, give it a temporary file, ring for Mudang 12345, whatever it is you want to call it. Click on save. Upload will take a moment. So just hold on to your horses. Upload is completed. URL is on the clipboard. So what that means is that it's ready to be pasted. So if you open Chrome now, you click in there and hit Control V or right click and paste. The URL is already in the clipboard. All you have to do is paste it in to your email or paste it into your browser, wherever it is you want to share it. It's ready to go, and your next person can download it. If you want to and you miss the URL, it also is the last part of the command. It'll spit it out on your command line for you. Okay. Send by IJM SFTP is the same as the top two, except that it's going to send it straight to Jackery's server. Okay, so same. What is it? Call it Jackery file 123456, and this part we're going to work on still. It goes flippity flappity flippity flop, and there it's telling you all those chunks were uploaded and we are finished. So that's it. So those 5 tools are ready for you. There are 6 more tools which I'm just bug testing at the moment. All of them are going to be just as handy as these. I will add them to this panel as they become available. Okay. Again, to find the panel, command is just type in panel and search through for CB panel, and you can either hide, show it, or toggle it. All right. turn it back on, it's the one that looks like a little filing cabinet. Okay, Jay, cheers, mate.